For Healthy Lifestyle, back in Chapter 4, you'll have to show me your habits page and your sign up page. There's a basic table on habits, nothing really too special here that I have to look at within Dreamweaver. I'll check that out when we do a real-time preview. For the sign up page, again, same thing. I want to make sure it's within this red dotted line. I want to see that form around your table with all your input controls there. Click on the first input control for first name. Again, it should be a text field. You got your tab index number. Last name should be a text property as well with a tab index of 2. Email should be email. And then you have your radio button group that you have here. You have your submit button and also reset button down here at the very bottom. Again, then you have to go back and preview within browser to test out everything. So this starting with your index page, here's your exercise page, nutrition that we did back in chapter 2. So your habits page has your table on it and then your sign up page. So again, this is where you got to go back and it should look exactly like this. Again, put a couple things in for text, use your tab key to jump from box to box. Okay, select on one, pick another one to make sure you can only do one at a time, and then simply hit reset. When it all clears out, you're done.